apart from that, we have some stores in AP and Telangana as well. As a company, what we stand for is an important thing. Paradise stands for authentic Hyderabadi Dum Biryani. From last 70 years, we are pioneers of Dum Biryani. It's a homegrown brand of our country. Whereas it stands for world's favorite biryani. Lot of award-winning instances we have had. Lot of companies have, media companies have recognized us as world's favorite biryani. We are in Hyderabad for last so many years. We have been known for authentic dum biryani, our stringent kitchen processes, our hygiene practices, and more so the great taste of biryani. What we are doing right now, we are now into the expansion phase. We are not just limiting ourselves to Hyderabad, but we are also expanding to other states and other cities. Bangalore becomes our key market, key focus area. We already have 10 stores. Plan is to expand it to 20 plus stores in coming years, and we want to, bring.
So, hello, namaskara, and really feel proud to be a part of this team. And it's a brief about, as what Robin says, that we are very much committed to provide the best of the food, best of the biryani all across the verticals and regions where we are.
My name is Robinder Singh. I am the Chief Operating Officer in Paradise. With me I have Chef Swatantri Gautam, who is our culinary head. We are here to let you know a little bit more about Paradise Biryani and the new innovation which we have done recently. Paradise Biryani is a 70-year-old biryani brand. It started from Hyderabad. We are known for authentic dum biryani. That's number one. Two, it is layered with a strict and stringent SOP and hygiene safety protocol. Authentic ingredients. So we are known as a world famous biryani across the country. And Paradise Biryani was always in Hyderabad, but have recently started to expand in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. So we have 10 stores in Bangalore and we have 5 stores in Chennai. We are here to keep expanding the stores from here onwards. But not just the store expansion, also the menu expansion. Over last 1 decade, we have expanded our menu beyond biryani, which is we have added a layer of kebabs, a layer of roti, curry, and rolls, shawarma, and lot of items. Beyond that, we are also known for our innovation calendar. So we keep innovating to give new flavors and new variety to our customers. So within kebab, this year we are launching Jashne Kebab, which is a Jashne Kebab festival, under which we are launching a new kebab festival which is inspired by National Highway 44. So I will request Chef to talk a little bit about it.
Hello, namaskara. As we are pioneer in biryani, so far nobody can touch us in dum coaster biryani all across. So this is a new addition to our menu, which is MH44. We are going beyond biryani and bringing new taste and flavors to the plate at Paradise. And we have come up with the MH44. It's the longest route in India, from where we have picked up ingredients from different states that comes under this MH44. And we have curated a complete menu. You can see the colors and textures in front of you out of it. And it starts from Jammu and Kashmir and ends at Kanyakumari. So all the states, there we have picked up certain ingredients from each and every state and curated this kebab only for Paradise. These are not available anywhere in the world. So when we talk of the kebab, what kebabs we have? Yes, we do have Peshawari from Delhi. We have Jafrani Kalmi from Jammu and Kashmir. Then we have Guntur chicken tikka from AP. Then we have Salem chicken tikka from Tamil Nadu. So we have tried to cover all the regions which comes under MH44. We really want to welcome you all to have that feast at nearby outlet, which is available in all the formats and all the regions wherein we are available. So I'm talking about Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, AP and Telangana. There we have roots already in, and looking forward to have you here to taste the same.
Thank you.
Thank you.